Zhejiang Ruidi Vehicle Industry Company Limited is one of China's leading electric mobility vehicle suppliers. Our modern 35,000 square meter production base is located in Jinhua New Energy Technology Industrial Park, featuring a complete industrial ecosystem. Every product from conception to production embodies the expertise of Ruidi's team of over 10 development and technical professionals. We continuously innovate in styling and manufacturing processes each year, committed to creating superior electric mobility solutions. Ruidi specializes in senior mobility solutions, with a core product lineup including electric mobility scooters, smart electric wheelchairs, multi-functional electric shopping carts, and fully enclosed mobility vehicles. We provide safe and convenient transportation solutions for global users while serving as a leading OEM partner in the mobility industry. In the manufacturing sector, we have established a fully intelligent production system. With intelligent manufacturing and machine replacement as our core strategy, achieving efficient operations through digital workshops, from CNC precision machining to ensure high-precision frame cutting, to laser cutting for fine contour control. Every link demonstrates the advantages of intelligent production. Supported by robotic welding to ensure seam strength and utilizing eco-friendly coating processes to enhance protective performance. Ruidi's modular assembly line supports flexible multi-model production, enabling agile planning and efficient resource allocation. We uphold stringent quality standards throughout every process, from precision engineering of core components to meticulous finishing of exterior details. Complemented by multi-dimensional testing and refined packaging to achieve product perfection. Ruidi is not just a manufacturer, but a provider of convenient lifestyle solutions. As a national high-tech enterprise and a specialized and sophisticated little giant enterprise, the company focuses on intelligent manufacturing and has obtained international certifications including ISO 9001, FDA, CE, E-Mark, and TUV. With an annual production capacity of 50,000 units. Our products are exported to over 70 countries worldwide, achieving export revenues exceeding $10 million for 4 consecutive years. Ruidi is committed to building China's most modern and largest scale professional production base for mobility scooters and high-end electric wheelchairs. We provide regionally customized product configurations and localized service systems tailored to different usage habits, ensuring our quality products truly integrate into users' daily lives and benefit consumers worldwide.